Well, hello Minecraft world. This is Crouching Python. I'm going to show you the very first script or program that you will ever do in Minecraft Pi. And Minecraft Pi is a really cool extension of Minecraft which allows you to do some coding in it in Python, which is a great beginner first text-based coding language. A lot easier than Java, which is kind of the original one for the PC. So anyway, it's taken from a fabulous book called Adventures in Minecraft by David Whaley and Martin O'Hanlon. It's on Wiley. You can see it there on wiley.com. And I'm going to assume that you've got everything kind of set up to run that. And I'm just going to show you the programming part of it now. I'll have another video on exactly how to set this up. But at any rate, what you have to do is you've got to have four windows open if you're going to run it on Windows. Okay? So first one you need to launch your Bukkit server, which I have done there. Okay? Second one you need is Minecraft, and the older version uses Minecraft 1.6.4. Now, there's an upgraded second edition of Adventures in Minecraft coming out in December 2017, and that's going to enable us all to use 1.12, which will be awesome. But for now, it's 1.6.4, okay? So you got to make sure you've got that going, all right? To connect, once you've launched the server, which I've done here, we're going to go back to Minecraft, and we're going to launch multiplayer. And I've set it up called Mython, which is my word for Minecraft Python. 1.6.4, we can see it's up there. I can join it just like you would with any other server in Minecraft, and there I'm in the world. Okay? So I've got my server launched. I've got Minecraft, the correct edition 1.6.4 launched. I'm in the world. Now I'm going to go to Python, and I'm going to use idle. And idle is a development environment for Python. It's a free download from python.org. The tricky thing is you want to make sure you've got 2.7 something if you're going to use this earlier version of Minecraft, okay? 2.7, not the most recent one, which is 3.5, I believe. Okay, so once I get here and I load it, idle, it loads what's called the shell. And you can tell it's the shell because it has these little carrots or these right arrow things right here. You do not put your code here. This is simply a place where you get messages from Python, but you don't code in here exactly. So how do we code? We go to File, New File, and that's going to open up this window here. You'll notice the difference here. See, it's just blank space and there's no right arrows, and that's how you know you're there. So we're just going to start coding right here, okay? And I'll try to explain as I go along and comment it out a little bit so we have some idea of what's going on. It's very simple code. It's really only 3 lines. We're going to start with every programming language you ever do. You start with what we call Hello World. It's just an ancient, time-honored, sacred tradition which you must do no matter what language you're doing. And so we're doing this in Minecraft Pi. We're going to do kind of a Hello World, okay? So couple of things we need to do. So the first thing we need to do, because it's Python, it doesn't come with the code that you need to actually code Minecraft. So you have to import that. And that's the first thing you do. You say from MCPI, MCPI stands for Minecraft Pi, .minecraft, import Minecraft, which is with a capital M right there, okay? So be aware of that. Line 1. Okay, line 2, we're going to make a connection between our code and our running version of Minecraft. And we do that with that line of code right here. And we're going to call this connection MC, which stands for Minecraft Connection, in case you need to remember that. And we're saying MC equals Minecraft.create. So we're creating a connection between this code that we're doing right here and our running instance of Minecraft. All right? Once we do that, then we can talk to it and we can tell it to do stuff. And we do that by prefixing it with MC dot. So we're saying, okay, this connection right here, here's the code that we want to run. And the code that we want to run is a command called post to chat. And if you know Minecraft, you know what that means. We're going to post something to the chat window or the chat line there in Minecraft. And the way we do that is mc.post-to-chat. And the Minecraft Pi has a lot of commands like this. And as a general rule, you run the words together. The first word in that is not capitalized, and the other ones are. So you see that it's a small p, but a capital T and a capital C. All right, mc.post-to-chat. And then we have to tell it what we want it to post in the chat. And we do that in parentheses, or parens as I like to call them. And we're going to say, because it's hello world, we're going to say hello Minecraft world. Okay? Quote, closing paren. All right? And if all that's right, we're ready to save it and run it. So here's what we got to do. Okay, you have to save it in a particular place. So if you set this up for Windows, there is a folder that you were able to download that's called My Adventures, and you've got to save it into that folder. So I'm going to go File, Save As. It wants to put it here. That's not where we want. I've saved mine on the desktop just because it's easier to get to. Okay, and I have one called AIM, Adventures in Minecraft 164, so I know which one it is. I've got several others kind of running here. So I double click on that. Here's my Adventures in Minecraft folder. I double click on this and you'll notice that one of them is called My Adventures. That's for My Adventures. That's where I'm going to let that go, and I'm going to call it Hello. You can see I've already kind of got one here, but I'm going to just kind of save over it and click Save. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I do. Okay, so now it's saved, and I run it by going up to Run, up here, File, Edit, Format, Run, and Run Module. Or alternatively, I can just hit the F5 key. Okay? Now, this is going to execute as soon as I say Run Module, and it's going to, if I did everything right, it's going to show up in the Minecraft world. So I have to be ready to kind of flip over there, because as you know, everything doesn't stay in the chat window for more than, I think it's usually 8 seconds. All right? So here we go. Run Module, boom, okay, no errors. Flipping over here, back to the game, and there it is. Hello Minecraft world. Right there in the chat window, it fades away. That's why we had to get there right away. But if you've done that successfully, I would like to welcome you to the sacred sisterhood and or brotherhood of coders, because you've taken a really, really important step. You've gone from maybe drag and drop coding to text-based coding, which is how pretty much everything that you've ever used in real computing is done with text-based coding. So you've made that first step. Congratulations. So let's just kind of review that. We're going to go back to hello. So only 3 lines of code. We said from mcpi.minecraft import Minecraft with a capital M. Okay, MC equals Minecraft.create. So we grab the commands that we need, the Minecraft commands for Python. Then we create a connection between this code right here and our running version of Minecraft, which that line does. And then once we've made that connection, we say, okay, we want to post something in the chat. We'll just run it one more time. Run the module, no error. Go back over here, post, and there it is. Hello, Minecraft world. Pretty cool. Stay tuned for more. Okay, see you then.